for music? Is this for music? Oh, nice. Hey, yeah, hey. These were made by Aboriginal people.
Yes.
Wow.
They were indeed by the Skene family.
Skene. This don't look bad. It's for a kid. I can't tell what this thing is for. What? You made all of this?
Sorry?
You made all of this?
No. It's from Portugal.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is so amazing. This street is nice, but it's pricey as well.
When's your birthday between what we do? May.
K9 organic hemp oil. Okay. Itchy cat.
Oh, it's gonna be like a silent room.
Real leather. Real leather. How do I know it's real? I can smell. You can smell. These are so cute. You can smell the different animals. So you know if it's a horse or if it's a cow. And this I see everywhere, but I don't know what this is. Made and painted by Aboriginal artists. Boomerangs. What do they use it for? Can somebody tell me what they use this for? This boomerang has been made and painted by Joseph Ian Skene and family. Made in Queensland. I don't get it. Somebody can tell me what is it for. What are these? No. A snake. These are all native stuff. I have no clue what this is. Ammonites. Special rocks. Could you tell me what do they use this for?
You throw it and it comes back.
Really? What? So it's like a game?
Pardon?
It's like a game
Yeah.
thing? Oh.
Like frisbee, but it comes back.
Oh. Okay. That's unique.
Yes, absolutely.
So this is like a frisbee, guys. I'm trying to imagine it. Is this for music? Is this for music? Oh, I see. Hey, yeah, hey. I don't know why I'm trying to dance. Yeah. Are they far from here?
No, they're at Green Bank.
Green Bank?
Yeah, so not far from here at all, like a 20-minute drive away.
Could I take a train there?
They're not open to the public.
Oh, this is so cool. Alright, I'm walking because I just arrived. So I'm walking first. This is so cute. This is so cute. God. gosh, these are so pretty. I have to buy something. I don't know what is yet. It's a shrimp.
Nice.
Shrimp guys.
Like that.
Yeah.
These are some special stones. What? I've never seen this up close. This is so nice. Out of quartz. You open it.
I see the lovely little.
Ooh, this is so cool. These are pretty. Pretty. Oregon blood. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
These are some special stones, guys. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what this is. This looks like tie and dye.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna continue looking. This is cute. They're cute. This is so cute. Rasta sloth. These are all handmade stuff. Like, dang. I know this one. I don't remember the name of the crochet style, but it's not easy. They use needles and form the shape. It's a lot of work. You use needles and form whatever you're trying to make. Like, oh my gosh. Toad purse. Hey. Jeez. All leather from different animals. You want a back scratcher? Look at this. Oh Jesus. Guys, this is real, by the way. This was a real toad. Or frog. Real frog. How do you do this? You're so brave. This is balls. Kangaroo. This looks like a kangaroo ball. What? This is real stuff. What should I buy? I'm gonna walk first. Is this real? I have to walk first in the crocodile. I have to take a walk first before I decide on buying anything. It is real stuff, real stuff. These are, I don't know. Leather, real leather. Oh my god. It's awesome. I don't. Damn, this is real. This is like I can smell. Yeah, because you can smell. You can smell it. You can smell the lead, the animal. Like, it's so cool. But I bet it's expensive. Ooh. Okay. What time is it? Candles. Cowboy hats. They scrunch up like mine. Cowboy hats. Okay. This is the end of here. Oh, we have more. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. This is awesome. Lights, color. I think I might do this. Hello. This is cool. Ooh. Ooh. Hi. I'm looking at these beautiful dresses. They're so thin. Oh. I can buy this in Thailand. Nice. Where are these from? Is this Thailand?
Sorry?
Thailand?
It's from Thailand. Yes.
Oh.
There's a one pocket on the right side. Can be stretched up very well.
Yeah, I have something similar. I'm wondering. Okay, I'm gonna look first. Alright, they're beautiful. Art. Oh. By the way, what's the name of this street? What's the name of this street?
It's a. I forgot that.
I know we are at South Bank.
It's a South Bank Market, yeah.
Oh, it's a South Bank Market.
But I don't remember
The name of this.
street.
Okay. It's okay. Okay, these are art stuff. It's quite busy. I like. Look at these. These look like they're made from Bacchus. What? Iron Bay. Pork chop. Oh, cork. These are made from cork. These are all wine carts. You made all of these?
Sorry?
You made all of this?
No. It's from Portugal.
Oh, wow. This is so amazing. Oh, I think I read something about in Portugal they use their corks to make recycle.
Okay.
Oh, so this is it. It's so amazing though.
Yeah. So
I've
it's
never
from
seen-
material, beautiful one is from material.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this.
You can have one of these purse for years.
Yeah?
Yes.
This is so cool. Since I just arrived, I'll just be walking first and looking. Even an umbrella. I'll be here for a while, so I'm gonna walk. You're beautiful though. Oh, I'm walking. I'm walking here. This street is amazing for game lovers. I don't know what this is, but yeah, they're cute. Entrance. I love it. So this side and this side are restaurants. Champagne, strawberry. It's a pity I can't buy these things to go home. This is a beautiful botanical garden. Look at this. That's water. And look at our friend here. Just chilling.